PET recycling makes a key contribution to climate protection. But how are the sustainable regranulates for new PET bottles made? You won't find any empty bottles in our PET recycling plant. The PET recycling process here at our plant in Liebenau actually begins with what you might call the flake freight. This is about 20 tons of hot-washed, cleaned, and shredded flakes, which are delivered to us by truck. Quality control then checks to confirm these meet quality standards. Once this team gives the okay, the fully automated process can then start. In this ultra-modern plant, the flakes are first homogenized and then sorted with the help of near-infrared sorting machines. So this means that we give the batches shipped out to us another flake sorting step. I refer to this as the flake police. It's a step really before the actual recycling starts and often filters as much as 1% of impurities out of the material that's delivered. This is how we guarantee the quality of the raw material for new bottles. Once the resorted material has been filled into buffer silos, the extrusion process begins. This is a key process step that, importantly, is run in a vacuum and with added nitrogen to ensure that any residual moisture is able to outgas. This is where the flake is converted back, you could say, from a flake into a defined rPET pellet. All of this takes place at about 280 to 300 degrees Celsius. After this, the viscous hot mass is pressed through a perforated panel. The threads of plastic that exit the panel are rapidly chopped into pellets by the granulator. To make the regranulate fit for use as a food contact material, it's pumped into silos and stored for between 8 and 12 hours. Nitrogen blanketing is used here to stop the material becoming discolored. The food-grade quality of our rPET granulate is verified by a final quality control step. Manufacturers can use this high-quality recycled product to once again make bottle blanks, which are then inflated into new PET bottles. Once filled with beverages, these go back into the shops for us to buy and take home again. Returning bottles for the deposit is therefore where the bottle-to-bottle cycle starts, and an important part of achieving a world without waste.